Hey, guys! Today I'm going to show you a crazy card trick that your spectators won't forget for a long time. This trick is called Illogical Triumph and it was invented by my favorite magician Ed Marlo. It's a quick and easy trick, but you'll have to practice. Let's not waste any time, let's get started. First, I'm going to take a deck of cards and shuffle them as best I can. Now, my dear spectator, memorize this random card. Your card is the 6 of diamonds. I'm going to trim the deck a couple times and now I'm going to create total chaos in the deck. To do this, I will split the deck in half and turn over half of the deck. Now shuffle these pieces together and we'll have chaos. But is it? I just snap my fingers once and the chaos disappears. All the cards in the deck are face down again except for one card. That card, of course, is your 6 of diamonds. Welcome to learning this trick. Before we get started, please like this trick, subscribe to the channel and write a comment on whether you like this trick. So, first of all, take any deck of cards and do a deck setup. Turn about half of the deck faces up, like this. Place the top card of the deck face down. Now you can see a little bit of a gap. That's the border of the halves of the deck. Grip the deck as I show you. Now start flipping the deck as I show you and stop at a random card. For example, it's the 10 of hearts. Show it to your spectator and have him memorize it. Now let go of that card, put your pinky up for a break and let go of the entire deck on your pinky. Now lift the top card and place the bottom of the deck on top of it. Like this. Now pull the top card down onto the bottom of the deck. Like this. You can see the gap, that's the way it should be. Separate the deck at this gap and flip the bottom of the deck over. Slide one part of the deck into the other part of the deck, just like a faro shuffle. It is important that the top card remains on top. This is the only card left face down. Cut the deck so that this spectator card is in the center of the deck and spread the entire deck. The 10 of hearts will be in the center.